Hello, my name is Michelle Murphy, and I wanted to talk about the time when I was in third grade and I ran for Miss Simmons Elementary. And I think this is more memorable to me because at that time I conquered being fearful of being in front of people, and we had to write speeches, do a talent. We had to walk down the aisle, dress up, and that was scary to me. So one day, this little boy came in class and he asked who wanted to run for Mr. Simmons and Mrs. Simmons Elementary, and I raised my hand. It was for a joke, but when I raised my hand, he wrote my name down, and I was like, no, 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 not me. And he was like, oh no, you raise your hand, I'm gonna put you on the paper. Okay. So I was like, okay, I ain't probably gonna get no votes no way or whatever. So I had to go through the motion. I had my mom to buy a dress. I had to make up a dance. I had to write out a speech. So on the day of it, I got dressed. I had to wear something that I was gonna dance in. So I got on stage, and I turned it out, and not even thinking about it, I just got out there and I just danced. And I was so scared, my heart was pumping, but I got out there and I danced my tail off. And then when it came time for me to do my speech, I just closed my eyes and I said my speech. I literally said my speech with my eyes closed. And so I said it. So I was like, okay, it's done, it's over with. And so when it came time for the dress part, I put on my dress and I walked down the aisle, and I was just thinking, me? I'm walking down the aisle with a pretty dress on. I can't believe it, because at the time I thought of myself as the ugly duckling. They called me Duck. I had big teeth. I just felt like I was just so ugly. And for me to be running for Miss Simmons Elementary, it was just so much for me. And so when we did that, then they went down the classrooms and they gave out papers and your names on there, and they said check if you want to vote for this person. Vote for this person, or whoever you want to vote for, that's who you vote for. And when they tallied up all the votes, I came in second place. And I was good with that because the girl that won, she was popular, pretty, long hair, and I was just this girl that just was there. And for me to come in second place, she beat me by 5 votes, that was just like wow to me. And that was like one of the biggest moments in my life, from being in the third grade. And I think from then on I started being in more stuff, and that was more memorable to me than anything. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.